what is vitamin C? Why should I use vitamin C on my skin? And when is actually the best time to use vitamin C serums, lotions, as well as soaps on my skin? What age should use vitamin C? I mean, what age range should use vitamin C? Okay, so in this video I will be telling you best body lotions that contains vitamin C that you can actually use on your skin. I'll also be telling you the importance of vitamin C on the skin, as well as how and when to use it, what age range should actually use it, and why it is important to use vitamin C on the skin. You want to make sure to watch till the very last, because if you miss something from this video, you're definitely going to miss the whole process. You're going to miss the importance of the video, okay? Because for every segment is going to be very educative, very important. Before you start going to use your vitamin C, I'm sure this is the video you want to watch.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, welcome right back. This is me, this is I, and this is us, okay? If this is your first time, hi, I'm Sonita Emmanuel, based in Nigeria. I feel like saying Lagos again, whereas I've left Lagos, okay? So yeah, I'm based in Nigeria. I film about skincare videos and lifestyle as well, everything beauty, okay? So if this is your first time here, feel free to drop your questions, as well as hitting on the red subscribe button. Thumbs up this video to help YouTube recommend it to other people who want to see something like this. Share to people who you know might want to see something like this as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get started already. Now, like I said, I'll be listing out importance of beautiful lotions that you can actually try out. 6 beautiful lotions that contains vitamin C that you can actually try out. But before we dive straight into it, I want to tell you the importance of vitamin C, because a lot of people do not know the importance of vitamin C, and a lot of people are still asking what age range should use vitamin C. So I'm going to be telling you that as well. So typically, vitamin C is a science-backed dermatologist's favorite ingredient that helps to slow down early skin aging, prevent sun damage, and improve the appearance of wrinkles, dark spots, as well as acne. Okay, so it's automatically protect you from sun damage, from the UV rays of the sun. That's the importance of vitamin C on the skin. Having said that, vitamin C can be used on the skin. Like, it's very good to use vitamin C on the skin. When is the best time to actually use vitamin C? In the mornings you can actually use your vitamin C, because it protects you from the UV rays of the sun. And yeah, what age range should actually use vitamin C? Of course, in fact, from 18 and above, start using vitamin C, because it helps slow down aging. Do you now see why you should use vitamin C on your skin? It does not just nourish your skin, it helps slows down aging. So you can see people who are 18 but are looking 36. Yes, they are looking ×2 of their age. That is not what you want for yourself. As much as we talk about exercising your skin too, it's very important to pay attention to. So how do you pay attention to your skin? It's by using a vitamin C lotion. Vitamin C also helps lighten up your skin, so do not worry about it darkening your skin. Of course, you can actually use, because there are people who are asking also that can they use a vitamin C lotion as well as another lotion alongside. Of course, if the other lotion you're using is a whitening lotion and does not contain vitamin C, you should consider using a vitamin C lotion. So what you need to do is to be using a vitamin C lotion in the morning while you use this other lotion at night. So that way it's going to balance up everything, like it's going to balance up your skin type. So with that being said, what are these lotions that I should actually look out for when using a vitamin C, or when going to use a lotion that contains a vitamin C? So I might be looking down, so please excuse me. Okay, the very first lotion I have on my list here is the Nivea Q10. A lot of people are using Nivea to lighten up. Depends on how you use it and what you're using it for, or why you are actually using it, because there are lots of people who are using Nivea with another lotion. What I mean by that is they use Nivea in the morning or some other lotion at night, because there are people who cannot go without using lotions in the daytime. So what they need to do, since they cannot use their whitening lotion during the day, you can actually use your Nivea Q10 during the day, because it has Q10, it has vitamin C, it is very good, it nourishes the skin. What I love about it is that it's accessible. You can actually get Nivea product anywhere, like anywhere, any beauty store that you go into that you do not see Nivea, know that they've not started, because Nivea is very, very accessible. It's something you can actually run even morning, afternoon and night. You can just run into a store and get it for yourself. It's very accessible. Number two I love about it is the fact that it's very, very affordable too. Anybody can afford Nivea products. Nivea products are very affordable, even though the dollar rate is high and things tend to be very expensive. Now Nivea is still that lotion that is still very much affordable, even though they have added price. Okay, that thing I love about it is the fact that it brightens up the skin. Like, yes, a lot of people do not know this, and because you want 2, 3, 4 shades, that's why you feel Nivea do not lighten up the skin. It does lighten up the skin, trust me, it does lighten up the skin. Another thing I love about it is the fact that it's a 400 ml lotion, so it will last you for about 3 weeks to 1 month. Okay, for those people who feels they cannot afford to be buying lotions every 2 weeks, this lotion is a lotion that will last you. So even if you're using it alongside a lotion, that means it's going to last you longer than expected, because you're not using it twice a day, you're using it once a day. And try to be very generous with whatever skincare product you're using in order to see results or get results faster. Okay, the second lotion on my list that contains vitamin C that is very, very good on the skin is the Dr. Teal's vitamin C lotion. Dr. Teal's vitamin C lotion I have reviewed. I think I've reviewed their full range. I'm going to leave that video hopefully somewhere so you guys can actually check it out. This particular lotion is very, very good. It contains shea butter, it contains vitamin E. Okay, so it does not just contain vitamin C, it moisturizes your skin very well. It smells like vitamin C. To me, it's a pure vitamin C lotion that is very, very good. It is lightweighted, it's not greasy. That's one thing I love it for. Okay, so it's a product that you can actually use, but yeah, it comes in different range. Okay, but while we're talking about the vitamin C, go for the vitamin C. It comes in sizes, I guess, so you can actually go for the size you feel you can afford. Okay, so Dr. Teal's vitamin C body lotion is another good one you should actually try out. So the third body lotion I'll be listing here is there's a St. Ives body lotion. I have also reviewed this lotion. I know a lot of you might have seen that video. St. Ives body lotion is very okay too, because like I said, it comes in different variants. This particular one comes with vitamin C, it comes with citrus. It's very good. It's not greasy as well. It just penetrates deeply into the skin and moisturizes the skin as well. It has like a citrus smell. So this is actually best for sensitive skin. If you know you have a very sensitive skin, this particular one is something you should try out, because like it deeply hydrates the skin. It penetrates deeply also into the skin. Like when you rub it on your skin, it just absorbs immediately into your skin. One thing people complain about it is the fact that it has a citrus smell. Okay, some people are not pleased with the smell, but for me, I feel like it smells nice. Okay, because it smells like vitamin C as well. So it's a cream that you actually would want to try out, and if you try it out, let me know. I recommended this lotion to somebody and the person actually really liked it, and then the person came back to say a very big thank you for recommending that product for her. So it's something you actually would want to try out. It does not irritate the skin. When you talk about irritation, lotions with vitamin C are hardly irritate the skin. Okay, so this also does not irritate the skin. It's for all skin type actually, but I'll highly recommend for sensitive skin, because a lot of people with sensitive skin do not know lotions to actually go for. But all these lotions I'm listing here are lotions that even people with sensitive skin can use, because it is for all skin types. So even a dry skin person can actually use it. Combination skin person, oil, like whatever skin type that you are, you can actually use it, as well as your skin tone. Yeah, it maintains your skin tone. For people who are super dark, it kind of lightens your skin, but then it just gives you that, you know, even lightening. So I'm sure it is something you'll want to try out. Okay, the next lotion here on my list would be the BWT lotion. The BWT lotion is the full name is actually Beauty Without Cruelty Hand and Body Lotion. So for people who have super dry skin, you should actually use this one, because if your hands are always dry, your palms are always dry, you know you can be prone to dark knuckles. So what you need to do is particularly use this lotion if you have a super dry skin. Like you see, is the hand and body lotion, so it's very good for people with dry skin. It also hydrates the skin super well, and one thing I love it for is the fact that it has Q10 to protect and nourish the skin. Okay, we all know that Q10 protects and nourish the skin. Our skin also has the Q10, but because of some harsh chemical we use on our skin, it just, you know, destroy the Q10 on our skin. So now they formulate lotions with Q10 so that it will help nourish our skin as well. And another thing about this lotion I love it for is the fact that the pH balance is well balanced. Like the people that formulated this product or this cream, they were very deliberate at it, okay, targeting it to meet people with problematic skin. So it's for all skin type as well, but me, I will highly recommend it for dry skin people. If you know you have a dry skin, you can actually use it because it will hydrate and moisturize your skin. So if you are looking out to moisturize your skin, you're looking out to make your skin look like, you know how water leaf looks in the garden, like very fresh and looks really attractive. That's how your skin will be looking with this particular lotion. That's why I love it. Like the pH balance is on 100. It's very nice on the skin. Like I said, it's for all skin type, and it has essential oils to help. You see why I said it moisturizes the skin as well. So essential oil helps to, you know, moisturize the skin, helps to hydrate the skin. And of course, especially for this harmattan, you also want to use products like this to moisturize and nourish your skin. The next product on my list here, or the next lotion that contains vitamin C you would want to try out, Fair and White exclusive late vitamin C. Okay, the late there is LAIT. That's a French word. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not a French girl, okay, but yeah, the one with the blue jar, it's very nice too. It lightens the skin. A lot of people complain about the smell. Particularly, I don't like the smell, but it has vitamin C and it works really well on the skin. This also lightens the skin. This particular one also lightens the skin. It also comes alongside the serums that has the vitamin C. So if you want to use it with the serum to lighten up, superb. Yeah, okay, it's very good. You can actually use the vitamin C to mix other lotions that do not have vitamin C. So that's how good this particular one is. It protects the skin as well from aging. Okay, of course the vitamin C in it helps to protect the skin from aging, or aging too fast, because of course you cannot run away from old age. Okay, that's the truth. One fantastic thing I love about this particular lotion is that it has SPF 50. That's a very huge amount of SPF. Maybe because it contains alcohol and parabens, okay, that's why it has this amount, like high amounts of SPF. With this lotion, I don't think you need additional SPF, but for safety purposes, you still need an SPF. Okay, this lotion has parabens, it has alcohol, so the alcohol helps to, you know, lighten up dark areas on your skin. This lotion, I'll call it a repairing lotion because of course it has alcohol, and we all know that alcohol helps to lighten up dark areas on the skin. So I'll highly advise that when using this product, do not forget to go alongside a moisturizer as well as a sunscreen to help also protect you from sun damage. Of course, the vitamin C in it helps to protect you from the UV rays or the sun. Okay, so you don't have anything to worry about, but maybe it's the alcohol and the parabens that make it smell awful. I don't like the smell compared to the other ones. This particular one, the smell is off for me, but that's notwithstanding, it works perfectly. The clarifying lotion, it gives you this natural glow. Okay, I have a friend that uses it. I don't know, yeah, she's still using it. It's really nice on her. It's a clarifying lotion. It glows your skin effortlessly, and you know, it doesn't give you any kind of dark knuckles, dark feet and whatnot. So even if you notice any of this, try to mix it with the serum. Trust me. In fact, if you ask me, I'll say use this lotion with the serum. That's when you get the best result. The serum, the soap, possibly. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, like I said, it also hydrates the skin as well, so it is something you would want to use. Okay, the last but not the least lotion on my list is the Body Shop vitamin C lotion. This Body Shop vitamin C lotion is very good. Other people said is a little expensive, but I have listed lotions that you can actually try out even if you don't have money to buy the others. Okay, inside the 6 lotion, I'm sure 3 are very affordable, like the Nivea Even and Radiant is the Nivea Q10 is very much affordable. The St. Ives, it's not like it's expensive. Dr. Teal's, depending on where you're getting it from, like it sold for about 4,000 something, but if you ask me, it's quite affordable compared to what it would do on your skin or for your skin. Okay, so some of these lotions are lotions that you can actually buy and try them out. The Body Shop is a very small, it comes in a small jar that lasts for about 3 weeks, but the lotion is a very nice lotion to try out. Okay, so yeah, this will be it for this video. I hope this was helpful in a way. If it was, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up and send this video to people who want to see something like this. Have you subscribed? If not, subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell icon, hence to subscribe, so that you're gonna not miss anything coming from this channel, if there's a word like that. Anyways, so that you don't miss anything from this channel. Okay, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.